Who is the highest run scorer in international cricket history? Who is known as the Rawalpindi Express? Which cricketer has taken the most international wickets? Which batsman hit 6 sixes in an over in a T20 World Cup match? Which country hosted the 2019 ICC Cricket World Cup? Who was the first player to score a double century in ODIs? Who won the Orange Cap in IPL 2023? Who was the first captain to win the ICC T20 World Cup? In which year did India win its first Cricket World Cup? Which bowler took 10 wickets in a single Test innings against India in 2021?